Hey guys, Hector here with HP Bushcraft, doing an unboxing. Got a package in the mail today from Directions Bushcraft. Let's open it up. Had to take advantage of Directions Bushcraft's sale he had going on here. Got a couple of Directions Bushcraft's new patches. Got the Velcro backing on them. Got a couple of them. And then I had to stock up on his fire stills for $10. Can't beat the Let's see if I can. Very nice. Throws awesome sparks. Here's Chris's information if anybody needs it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment. Alright guys, can't show you guys a fire still without using it, right? Because I don't think just showering sparks were enough. So I'm going to use a little bit of corn husk, jute twine, and some cattail.